Good morning. It's 8:51. I'm gonna take you guys on an adventure. What kind of adventure? My morning routine. Oh my god. That feels so good.
The first thing I do every single morning is stretch, because stretching is very important, and not gonna lie, I be feeling stiff as hell when I don't stretch. And then I plop over like a potato because I don't want to get up, but I have to. So I check my phone for a little bit to kind of wake me up and reply to any emails, any comments, and then I actually physically start to try to get up. I try to prepare my mind, okay, we gotta get up. Then I put on some joggers because it's almost always cold as hell in my room. Then I make my bed, because I am one of those people that like to make my bed every single morning, because I like to come home to a made bed. I don't know why, it makes me feel like I have my shit together and that my life is somewhat organized, even though it is not. Then I go ahead and light some Palo Santo to get those good vibes going. Palo Santo, not to be confused with sage, but like sage, is used for energy cleansing and healing purposes. And I've actually recently started a crystal collection, and this is what I use to cleanse my crystals as well.
So I live in a 2-bedroom apartment with like 6 other people, and there's almost always somebody in the bathroom when I need to pee.
Then once I'm finally able to get into the bathroom, I go ahead and brush my teeth, wash my face, do all that I need to do, pee, shit, whatever. Then I go back to my room and do my little mini morning skincare routine. Once I'm back in my room, sometimes my mom comes in and tells me about her dreams, like today, but she didn't want to be on camera. But I spray my face with some Mario Badescu cucumber, aloe, and green tea spray, moisturize, all that jazz. Then I go to the kitchen, and instead of coffee, I make tea in the morning, because I'm not really a big fan of coffee, because it gives you energy for like 5 seconds and then you crash and need more, which isn't all that great.
So every morning I always drink a cup of tea, and lately I've been really liking this Teami Boost Energy Tea. It's really good for energy boosting, especially in the morning. This one in particular is vanilla matcha. This is what I've been drinking for past couple weeks, and my mom can vouch for me. I love this tea and I drink it every single morning. Mom, do I not drink this tea every single morning?
Yes, you do, and it tastes good.
And she even I even put her on to it. I was like, try this tea.
Kind of want to talk a little bit more about this specific tea. Teami has a whole bunch of other teas that I will leave on the screen, but this tea in particular is amazing because it is good for boosting energy, metabolism, and it is rich in antioxidants and nutrients. It's infused with matcha, yerba mate, peppermint, and vanilla bean, and it's so delicious. You can even see here that you can replace your morning cup of coffee with this. I don't like coffee, so I don't drink coffee, but this is a way better alternative than coffee because it gives you energy, and the energy actually lasts all day. So I have a discount code. I will leave it somewhere on the screen, and you're more than welcome to use it. You don't have to, but I'm just letting you know that it's there.
But this is what the tea looks like, and I'm going to show you guys how I make this young tea. So I just take a spoonful, which is like about this much, and go ahead and put that in there. Then I take the water that I boiled, and magic happens. I let that cool down a few minutes. I also like to let it mix in there so the water is infused.
So while I let my tea kind of cool down a little bit, I'm gonna make me some breakfast, which is normally just some eggs, and I also do some dancing in between. I like my eggs over easy, and for a long period of time I had some trouble flipping the damn eggs, but I finally have been able to do it without breaking the yolk, so I'm proud of myself. And normally I'll have me some turkey bacon, or I'll cut up some turkey sausage, which is what I'm doing right now because we ran out of turkey bacon. Then I always have me some avocado with my breakfast because avocados are A1. Oh, do you see that? Avocados are beautiful. They taste amazing. They're loaded with fiber. They have hella potassium. Fun fact, I used to hate avocados, but I think Melissa made some homemade guacamole one time, and I kind of been obsessed ever since. Then I go ahead and just eat my breakfast. I also send pictures of my breakfast to Lewis every morning because I kind of like making him jealous, because normally at this time he's at work. Then around this time, I normally go back to my room and figure out what the hell I'm gonna wear that day. Then I get dressed, do my makeup. Sometimes I wear no makeup, sometimes I wear a hint of makeup, and then sometimes I wear a full effing face. It really depends on my mood. Then I will go ahead and take my hair out of the little buns that I do. I have a tutorial on how I do these. I will leave that in the description, but I like doing this whenever I have school because it saves me a whole bunch of time in the morning. And then I just comb my baby hairs into place because those are kind of wild sometimes. And that's basically all I do.
I want some jeans, some Converse, this crew neck sweater, and then the scarf, and this is what we're working with today.
So that is it for my morning routine. I'm actually going to go to school right now. I might vlog a little bit at school, I'm not sure, but as for like my morning routine, that's all I really do in the morning. Go ahead and follow me on my social media accounts. I have them listed somewhere up here, and I will leave them in the description box as well. So yeah, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
That looks terrible.
There's nothing going on here. I picked the wrong semester to vlog because I'm only taking one class this semester. My past several semesters definitely would have been perfect because I actually spent my day here. And now I'm only taking one class. Oh, by the way, this is Z. Z, say hi. Verdang's not here. I don't know where Verdang's at.
He's been missing in action.
Me and Verdang have the same class, and it's boring as like shit. He just texted me right now.
Oh.
I'll be like, where you at? Where you at? But yeah, Z got me a hot chocolate because she's great. So what happened to couponing?
What?
You said when I got home, you never guess what happened. I'm like,
dude, when I got home, this was all in my floor.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so I don't know if you guys know, but like, you know how they have like those couponing things where like people are really good at couponing, you know what I mean? So Z is one of those people. She is amazing at couponing. She saves a shit ton of money all the time. And
so this is my shelf.
Yeah, this is her shelf, right? It looks really organized and everything looks really nice. She's like, I have to stop couponing for a while. I'm like, why? I got nervous. I'm like, she said she came home and this is what she found. Her shelf broke. Yeah, I definitely would stop too. Because if your shelf can't take it, or get a whole new shelf.
I'm gonna get a new shelf.
Get a new shelf.
That's a
unhealthy habits. Oh shit, he's here. We're talking about you.
No, we won't.
Damn, about?
Just that, you know, you ain't shit.
So you bought the camera?
Yeah, I did. Say what's up.
These
What is
right
it?
here.
Oh, I've tried that. I have the pink one.
I bought 6 for 4.
Shit, I almost fell off the damn
6
chair.
for $4.
Have you tried it before? Those.
Yeah, it's really good.
I like it. I feel like it's like water for your face.
Uh-huh.
That's the Gel Rescue
Yeah.
Skin Act.
I
Yeah.
was like, oh, my face feels so like moisturized.
Yeah, I love using
I love
hella
it.
moisturizers. What is that?
Pizza rice.
Oh, you
Pizza
brought your
and
lunch
rice?
today.
Beef.
Oh, I thought he said pizza and rice. I'm like, oh, so we're hungry. Oh man.
Are you gonna film during class?
I was. I mean, I might.
Oh,
But
you wanna
my-
see the whole day in the life
Oh yeah,
of
no.
him.
Someone was like, you should do a day in the life of you. And I'm like, I don't do anything. My life is not exciting, especially on days that I'm not at school. I'm not doing shit. So I'm like, you really want to see that? You see me watch Netflix all day? Dude, I'm on the last, I'm on the last season of The Office.
Again?
Not again, like I've watched The Office before, but I don't think I've watched it from beginning to end,
Oh,
like,
okay.
you know, consecutively. And I'm on season 9.
How is it?
Cause it's bittersweet because I know it's ending. Like I'm getting to the end.
I've never watched it, so.
The Office, literally all I send him is snaps of me watching The Office. Like that's all I do.
And I'll send it back.
Yeah, and he just so happens to be watching it too all the time. It's hilarious. And a lot of people don't like it because it's dry humor. You know, it's kind of like just, you're laughing at awkwardness.
But you gotta watch like
But it
first.
reminds me of like kind of like Seinfeld.
I never seen
I
that.
haven't seen Seinfeld
See,
in a while.
that's how I show my age. Because,
So have you seen Friends?
yes, I like Friends.
Yeah.
I like Friends. Reason why I got into Friends was because I used to watch Teen Nick or Nick at Night or whatever. So I would watch all of like, you know, SpongeBob or whatever the shows that would come on. And then after 9, George Lopez,
Yeah.
Friends, all of that would come
love
on.
George Lopez.
I love George Lopez.
I couldn't do anything. The channel, that's what he wants to watch. These kids are annoying.
Dude, okay, I see him around school all the damn time. The loud guy, he's always by my neighborhood.
Oh, really?
And he, you know,
So he lives around there?
I don't know.
Oh.
Literally every single semester that I've been here, I've seen him and he's always talking. So my camera ended up dying, but yeah, there's this dude that goes to school with me and he's always talking really loud and it's just obnoxious in the lunchroom. And I see him around my neighborhood all the time and I'm like, oh, you live by me too? Oh my God. But yeah, he's always talking really loud and it's like, people are obnoxious and loud in college too. Like, oh my God. But yeah, that's no surprise to me anymore. I really hope you guys enjoyed this morning routine / vlog or school vlog. But yeah, let me know if I should do more vlogs like this or they'll be a little more exciting, of course. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!